What's going on YouTube, GSN right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock an iCloud lock device which runs iOS 14.8 or lower. To do that we're going to use PassFab Activation Unlocker, a simple to use software available here, and of course you can get it from the website passfab.com, and it's PassFab Activation Unlocker. There is a free trial available for both Windows and macOS, so it doesn't really matter what operating system you have as long as it's not Linux, and this one actually works regardless of the device issue. If your device is iCloud lock, or if your device cannot be activated because of server issues or whatever, or because of SIM card issues. Sometimes you cannot activate your iPhone because you don't have a valid SIM card. It's bought from a different country and you don't have a SIM card from that country. If that's the case, this would work as well, but of course you will not be able to use the SIM card. So if your device is stuck on the activation lock page, like mine is, as you can see from below, this can definitely help you fix that. Now, other things it can fix is the activation error screen, which is this one here, unable to activate, which is this one in here, and could not activate for various reasons. All of these screens can also be fixed with this program. Now, in terms of compatibility, if you have any questions on whether this will work on your device or not, this basically works on the checkra compatible devices, which means iPhone 10 and lower. So iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 6, 6S, and so on, those are supported. And in terms of iOS, it supports iOS 14.8 and lower. iOS 15 is not currently supported, but I'm sure they are working on it in the background. So once you get this and you install it on Windows or macOS, it looks basically like this. And you have a couple of options. The first one, unlock Apple ID. Then you have remove iCloud activation lock, which is the one that we are going to test today, and turn off camera sound. So if you want to disable the camera shutter sound so that people don't exactly know every time you take a picture, you can do that by pressing this button here. I'm going to go with the remove iCloud activation. You could see that my device is already locked. So all we have to do is basically pretty simple. You connect the device to the computer using your USB cable, then press start to remove. It says in here remove iCloud activation lock. Forget Apple ID password and couldn't activate your iPad or iPod Touch. You can use this tool to remove Apple activation easily. So it says in here precautions before use. Bypass iCloud activation will jailbreak your device, and please connect only one device at a time. So if you press in here on the disclaimer, it also gives more information about what this program can and cannot do. And it says in here that after this bypass, you cannot use the iOS device function for a phone call, cellular, and log into iCloud on your new Apple ID. So basically you can use the applications, you can download applications with an Apple ID, but you cannot use iCloud and you cannot place any phone calls with it. That's one of the limitations, and of course this is completely tethered, which means that every time you reboot, you're going to have to go through the program again in order to unlock it. So I'm going to press next, and of course it's detected my device and it says the jailbreak tool has been downloaded successfully. Now we basically have to open checkra here and follow the instructions on checkra rather than this program here. So I'm going to minimize this one and open checkra. Checkra has detected my device and it says it's connected in normal mode, and I'm going to allow untested iOS in here, and that's it. But if your device is an iPhone 10 or of course is an A11 of any kind, you press skip A11 BPR check as well. I'm gonna press start in here, press next, and my device will enter recovery mode. Alright, so now we get instructions in here for this particular device on how to put it in DFU mode. So I'm gonna press start and follow the instructions on the screen. And now it says booting in here, and that's basically it. The device is now booting, shows the checkra logo as you can see in here, and that's basically all you need to know. We're gonna let the device boot and we're going to wait for checkra to say in here done. If you have jailbroken with checkra before, then it's the same procedure, nothing changed in here. So as you can see, it says all done, and that's it. We press done in here and we close checkra, and the device is still on the hello screen. But now we go back here to the PassFab Activation Unlocker and say next in here because we did the jailbreak, and it's detected my device with no problem, iPod Touch 6th generation, and we press start to remove. And at this point, iCloud is being removed, and that's it. Removed iCloud activation lock successfully. The iCloud activation lock in your device has been removed successfully, and you can log in a new Apple ID through App Store or iTunes in order to download applications. It says in here a couple of warnings. Do not factory reset or flash firmware to your device after successful iCloud lock removal, because your device will be locked again. Please sign into your Apple ID or App Store. Do not sign in with your Apple ID when setting up iPhone from the settings app. Yeah, so if you want to download applications, you should sign in with your Apple ID, but from the App Store, not from settings. Alright, so as you could see, it works pretty fine. Pretty easy to use, very easy to use program. You can definitely check it out on their PassFab website here, and and there seemed to be a giveaway for Christmas. So if you go ahead and here on their webpage, it says Christmas and New Year wish list. So it says up to 70% off. There are still 6 days of it and 19 hours, so there's still plenty of time to go. It says in here, 100% win a prize, randomly get a free product from PassFab. So all you have to do is press go in here, and you can share the activity to get a chance. For example, you can share it on Reddit. So once you do, you would be good to go. And of course, you can win either a coupon or a program and so on. So let's see what I got. Well, as you can see, I have won a screen recorder for free for 1 month. This is basically the PassFab screen recorder. And all I need to do is select whether I want it for Mac. And of course, input an email like that and press submit, and I will get my code. So thank you for participation. The license code has been sent to your email. So yeah, you can win either a gift card or you can win a coupon or various software from PassFab. Definitely check it out, it's quite great, and they do have pretty good deals in here as well, including for PassFab iPhone Unlocker and Android Unlocker. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.